jobs that we are preparing students today for didn't exist 20 years ago. We are not preparing our students for the same job force that we are preparing them for 100 years ago. Students aren't learning in a traditional way. We as adults don't like to sit in rows and read and learn things. We like to lean back and get comfortable. And having that ability for our students to be flexible in the way that they learn translates to better learning outcomes. Students have that sense of ownership of learning, they have that sense of independence, and that's reflected in the space. So students are collaborating with teachers, they're collaborating with each other, and they're really working in a way that mirrors how they'll be working in the real world. So if we have a student that likes to work standing up or needs to fidget and move a little bit, the furniture allows them to do that. And it just creates a culture and a climate that is conducive to 21st century learning.